So what we're doing here on the exterior of this residential house, we're painting all the siding, all the trim, all the shutters, and we're also replacing rotted wood. I'll show you a couple of places around the rear door. We're actually going to change the whole door because the frame of the door is rotted. We've got little pieces of trim here and there, a couple of window sills that are rotted. That's going to get changed. One of the problems that we've discovered or uncovered is the porch ceiling had a piece of rotted wood, and we could not actually resolve that problem ourselves because the problem is the roof. Right in between the two windows, there's some soft wood because the roof has a leak. And we're just going to recommend a couple of different roofers so the customer can talk to two different roofers and get some numbers, and that's not something that we really want to tackle ourselves. We'll take care of all the painting, we'll take care of minor carpentry, but building additions and putting roofs on is beyond our scope. Sometimes we'll spray the siding, sometimes we'll brush and roll it, depending on the situation, how much open space there is, whatever's more efficient. I kind of leave that up to the crews and the painter's discretion. As you can see, our guys, they know what they're doing. They've been doing this for a long time. Both Lee and Dave have over 20 years experience painting, so I completely trust their judgment.